Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best Black Decker handheld vacuums you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Black Decker handheld vacuums and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Black Decker handheld vacuums, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a Black Decker handheld vacuum. First, look at the suction power because it determines how well the vacuum cleans different surfaces like carpets, upholstery, or car interiors. Next, check the battery life and charging time since cordless models rely on strong and lasting batteries for convenience. Also, consider the dust bin capacity as smaller bins require frequent emptying, which can be inconvenient for larger cleaning tasks. Pay attention to the weight and ergonomics, ensuring it's comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver. Look for useful attachments such as crevice tools or brush nozzles that enhance cleaning flexibility. Finally, think about maintenance needs like filter cleaning and replacement to keep performance consistent over time. Choosing the right model depends on your cleaning habits and household needs. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful reviews.